Rabbit hunting part 2 with Tristan driving.
Oh crap.
Alright, awesome. So guys, there's a buck that just walked in the field.
Get out of here.
Oh, there he is. He's a heavy horn spike.
He's moving this way. You want me to shoot him this far, or do you want to see if he get closer?
It don't matter. That's him right there.
No.
He's gonna go in that corner though. Did you get him?
No, but he's still there in the field. Right over him. Right over him. On safety, you know. If he comes back, I won't shoot him. Let me go walk up there.
Okay. Alright guys, so where we're at, you can't really see in the back of that field. So Tristan was going to put a stalk on him, but he hears something right here. Do you see him? I'm not sure where he's looking at, but he missed. So we're sneaking around this little corner right here. We are rabbit hunting again. This time we got Daddy with us.
Oh. Yes.
What are you doing?
It's not a joke. Okay, so I'm using my dad's AR. The same thing, you just gotta go pow, 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 pow. But my safety off is because there's a rabbit right here, and I got my 22 right here. And, maybe about to shoot him. Okay, you ready? Okay.
Ready. Good job. All right, tell us about it.
So you seen in that clip, I shot the rabbit and went to go get it. We're going to close it because it's getting dark. So see you on next time. We're about to leave. Bye.